Hello guys, I'm back. I know your girl's slacking, but I'm finally back with another tutorial on this smoky eye look with a little bit of color, so stay tuned for the tutorial on this look. So as usual, I'm going to start with my Plouise base and I'm using my MAC 242 brush to pat that all in. Now you can just use any flat brush, and I'm just using the Maybelline gel liner and I'm just applying this on my lid and buffing it. Now make sure you work quickly, and I'm just going to blend this out with a fluffy blending brush from the Makeup Addiction's Tapered Crease Brush. So I'm just going back in with that same flat brush. You can use any flat brush, and I'm setting this bad boy. So I'm just using a black shadow from the Makeup Addiction's Sinful Eyes palette, and I'm just setting that with this black shadow, and I'm going in again with my Tapered Crease Brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and I'm just buffing that into my lid. So I'm taking the shade Liqueur from the Carnival palette, and I'm using a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm just blending out that black with that color. Now with the same palette, I'm going in with the shade Rowdy, and I'm blending that above Liqueur, and I'm using the same 224 brush, but a clean one obviously. So again with the Carnival palette, but this time I'm taking the shades Keen and Shuffle, so I've kind of just mixed the two together, and I'm using a Makeup Addiction's Giro Fiber brush to do this. So now I'm just going back in with my blends, because you're always going to get colour loss when you put one blend above another. So I go back in with all my blends. Usually when I do one blend, I go back in with the other one. So always reapply colour.
No darling, see the things where you do for me. No be saying I'm fine past, so see the way you love me.
Now I'm just using MAC Feline in my waterline, and I'm going to set this also with a black shadow. I'm going to go in with my Plouise base under my eye, ready for my blends, and I'm just going to be using the same brushes to blend under my eyes as I did on top. Oh yes, I did use an additional brush. This is the Smudge Brush by Makeup Addiction's Cosmetics, and I'm just using this out just to smudge out the black. It's time to bring this look together. I'm just priming my face with the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Definition Primer. So I only did one side of my face because, yeah, I just couldn't be bothered to do a full look. It would have been nice, but your girl was short for time. So I'm just using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, and I'm in the shade F15, and I mix that with the Fit Me Maybelline Mocha shade. Too much to talk, too much to say. And I'm just using the Peaches and Cream PC15 brush to buff this into my skin. I'm back with a new flow. God's grace cover me with a new. So I'm just taking the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in the shade 13.5, I think it is. And yeah, I'm just highlighting with this shade. And I'm using just a concealer brush to do this. Forgive me guys, I can't remember what brush I used, what powder I used to set my highlight. I'm gonna say it's the Black Radiance Contour palette, and I probably use a sculpting powder, and the brush I'm using is a dupe for the Real Techniques contour brush. And I'm just taking my MAC blush brush, I can't remember the name of it, and I'm just taking the Black Radiance contour palette again, highlight contour palette, and just contouring my face. So I'm just using my Peaches PC17 brush, and I'm using the highlights from the Carnival palette to highlight my face. Just doing a bit of inner corner eye highlights, which I live for, and I'm just taking my MAC brush to do this. Forgive me because I can't remember what I was using. Now I'm just using the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm using my Makeup Addictions small angled brush to fix my brow dem. And I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. brow gel just to make everything look all nice and neat. It's lippy time, so I'm just taking this liquid lipstick in the shade Alexia by Velas World Cosmetics. I'm just kind of outlining my lips with it. Sorry, I went out of the frame for my next shade, and I used Dune from Ruby Kiss Cosmetics, and then I topped it off with Nicka K New York lip gel, my fave. And I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I dey get emotionally, oh, see as you dey ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love is to the ginger me.